welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rumbai, bringing you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Dapale Wadri honors with DBMN Youth Icon Award 2023. After decades of anticipation, a new school building is inaugurated for a government LP school. VDP demands justice for tragic incident, calls for strict punishment. And Chief Minister honors sports achievers at Meghalaya Games and Halo India Youth Games 2024. And now the news in detail. On January 31st, 2024, Dapale Wadri, the visionary behind Lina's Dance and Fitness Academy, received the prestigious DBMN Youth Icon Award 2023. Presented by Chief Minister Konrad K. Sangma, the accolade included a certificate, Youth Icon trophy and a cash prize of 40,000 rupees. The dbmnTv recognized 15 exemplary youths in 2023, with Dapale Wadri standing out for her impactful work. Established on June 1st, 2018, Lina's Dance and Fitness Academy has diligently pursued its goal of fostering a healthier society while instilling confidence and self-sufficiency through dance and fitness. The academy has positively influenced children, youth and adults alike. As the application window for 2024 award opens, dbmnTv invites nominations for deserving individuals who have made a significant impact on the community. Drop the names of potential awardees at the dbmnTv office located at Don Bosco Youth Center, Lajumkra, Shillong for the ceremony on January 31st, 2025.
Now we will be having the Don Bosco Media Network TV Youth Icon Award 2024. Don Bosco Media Network TV is the communication department of the Salesians of Don Bosco in Shillong. We have our TV channel available on OTT for Smart TV, a YouTube channel for social media, and also available on Lelanki Cable Network Channel 279 on the local cable. Similar to Don Bosco, we move with the signs of the time, broadcasting news and events in Meghalaya in English and Khasi. Our content is mostly youth-oriented, and we recognize a youth every year who becomes an icon for others through their activities, awarding them the Don Bosco Media Network TV Youth Icon Award of the Year. And this year, we are very delighted to have Dapale Wadri, owner, founder of Lina Dance and Fitness Academy. In her words, the reason behind starting the academy is because she wanted to impact people as much as possible by giving them the strength and willpower for a healthier and fitter life. She wants to add to the society, but not only that, Dapale wants people, especially the youth, to be confident with themselves, physically, emotionally, and all other aspects that she could reach. Zumba is not only about dancing, it has a much more wider meaning than dancing. But there are also various kinds of dancing that she have been able to introduce to the clients, from kids to youth and people of all ages who comes with so many reasons and objectives that they want to achieve. Her academy is the first who provide or brought Zumba, Strong by Zumba and Zumba tuning into the state, and the response has been immense. It really drives her to see people come forward, and she's able to help them through so many other ways or any other form. As we congratulate Ms. Dapale Wadri, may I invite our Honorable Chief Minister, Sir, and our Director to present her the award. The award consists of a citation, mementos, and a cash of rupees 40,000. I would like to call Dapale on stage, and can you please give her a huge round of applause? She truly deserves this. Thank you so much, sir and Dapale. And may I also request our Honorable Chief Minister again and our Director to give away the certificate of the winter camp to our graduate students.
In a momentous event on February 5th, Chief Advisor to the Chief Minister Hamlet Sondotling inaugurated a long-awaited new school building for Government LP School Pomkanyo. Established in 1965, the school has been facing infrastructural challenges with no repairs or new construction until now. The inauguration ceremony witnessed the presence of village leaders, parents and education department officials. Local headman Kibar Singh Kharpongor and headmistress Lucy Doras Emle expressed gratitude, highlighting that the promise of a new school building was made during Hamlet Sondotling's tenure as MLA and it has been finally fulfilled, bringing renewed hope to the school community.
LP school, school pelaban kurikulum duduk mata sini.
Kena sekolah ibarat. Wilayah Cisha Shibun kijing hak wedai bat ke school building. Hak di kisnam ki baladem, ki khatnya pala, kat hadu bengi haban pensyong, lanjut ki kena sekolah hak wei ke band ke batang samsun. Bat ke jing haknya akan long hadu bakim long syuk tang ban pho bat ban kuliah. Teng-teng kadang kejing yak kini iki fulam iki pencil iki kat namar kejing haknya kejing yakar iki hadu kalau long Cisha ketma yang iki dong hikai. Barang pedang kata kajing ni juyai kerpat siaga Education Department nak Office SDS EO baiklah jubur ke application ban kerpat dengan peniak school building yang pom kenyo LP school. Hendak kiat kisnam nak kawai kisnam syakawai pak kisnam bat kasak ketai ke building ke berim. Unsin ke jauh ke puan selap ngin dapai men setiap school kila jik ki ben kila jik ki iu hadu ke don kawai kisnam ke bagi almari ke mengibukan kila jilut ni dapat school ni lah dolot iki register barak jinan kamjong ke school hadu ipas duk lah ile arah ni le ra sedang barakal Allah pun bapaut namar kejing jauh jong ke school ni mat Cisha kejing rengi dap de kejing aingo you play bagi jeng sngowo lembar kejing traichit ham kejing traichitam jang isal Hamlet Sondotling ha kapor bilong MLA mai nganget kejing budien kejong kabala wanra ya kini kesenang ban penio ni ke school building. Sir kudlay sipun ya kejing tray sitam ke jongpi, blay ke kru kerdo pi ke kenau duduk ke puar bang dang tray po KSU ma. Ya tray sitam hadu bandelong kumli kena kedau bagi iya ke ri bak ke jak ban rim. Tu blay ke kru kerdo pi sir. Pihak kami ada bak ni ke school building lawan ra kontraktor lah kendu yang iki nong hikai. Yang kini ke school kandan arteli kawai ke staff room kawai ke head room bat san teli ke classroom. Daya ke jingpe jongi tak deh. Badangi lek san teli ke classroom kan siam jing namar ke kapasiti jong kawai ke classroom kan yam lam num no tang arpungun. Utang lek keran sutu jimut no kan long ne em. Badangi penlong no iki tang lai teli ke classroom. Yen kam pen he. Namar kat kum ke enrollment mental isnem kenya ke new admission dan ila poi lau num no sau ku sau ngot kawai ke kelas. Ke new enrollment. Ke enrollment jong ahrajar arpulai ni dan arspa kat meriungut. Ia mentau usnem kila anang increase ikena nang te national mawan abun kuan sim admission hang ni. Kikena nasi kat armeri abun kuan sim admission hang ni. Bat nga sngu tenat ru ban ya thu ya pi ki kini pa bat pi ki rang ba dan hang ni. Hadin ke jing pek perman ni jing long jing man jong ka snong ka thau jong ka skun. Namar bengi dan tang kawai ke school hang ni pom kenyo. Imkan lagi wai pat ke school tang kan ni hi. Jadi na kata kadang na perkat bah. Ban plilat yiki nong song snong yiki khon yu nong song snong hang ni baki yo ekan lat ke kabru. Kum baki yo ki wai pat ki breu. Wilayah kod da managing committee rengkat baki kini pa bengin penyait na ki ke school da ki English. Ni subha ban ya thu ya pi sa ban adu uniu ap wai ngla penyait da ki English. section haga jaka jong khasi section kuntang i kadon ke improvement hapdem jong ki kena school mat barabor ngile da khasi na de nursery hado class 5 kita pai class 6 ki syam jing chibun ban pulian mat baro ki kot ki dei haga english like dot tang da khasi na kata daw ngilan le no ya ka da ke english section bat mi kadon ke improvement bat ki kena klanang roh shisha kami lenti ke jeng Tracy Tom Isar mo ibadai advisor jong chief minister ti nang yarap syu ban pli ki lap mengar hang niang idan panglai teli ke classroom te lai teli classroom idang hap ban pen long ha ka te ka old building bat ka te ka la jot shisha bat kalong ro ka jing duko ang ka por slap por air ba kinong hi ka ken yat na kan dia ka building sya ka te ka building madang idap ka we ka period nang ni hap lai sya te nang te ngin wan biam chania te kan dan ka jing doko ka bakraw te ka jing kerpat akan yang ka school kalau wada long ka bala ngin yo biang ka lai 380 classroom katakan penbiang ni dan kam jong ki kina ni te kata ka de ka jing anglut ka jong ina kalian ka school bat ni skungu shisha bin layo ka school building mereka jing mentag la penpau orang bas nong kalong bangim dan furniture tinda lawan ki kena chania ngamtit ha ikin syong Kak Santrik mentau Februari yang sedang ke school tinggi duna bahagi band ini kerpat itu sel ada long kebala ini rap kata kalian rup ya nak kalian ke school saya sian pat ni tempau ke sungguh ini para kebal tresitom nak kalian.
Members of VDP Demand unanimously demand justice for the horrific act committed by Biangkupar Nongsi, who ruthlessly took the life of his pregnant wife. President Panshai Rongren declared their collective decision to urge authorities for severe punishment, advocating for a life sentence without bail. As guardians of village safety, they assert the need to keep the perpetrator behind bars for the entirety of his life. Rongren emphasized the community's unanimous stance against the accused, declaring their intention to participate in a rally on February 7th to condemn the heinous act and call for stringent legal action against Nongsi.
Kau ini macam ni kum kau ping itu dekat, berarti dia si penaruh ini ini dan lang dekat berarti ini penpau, bah dalam ini kat bala, kemudian banyak jamin, mal ni kum senang, kum di Samla senang ni nang ham ka, kata kajing bat nut, kajing dom, bah dalam kepala di benset atau di usiting im but hakanya tarik kanton kata karali bloknya dari senang tepat ya di Samla senang kilong mi long pa ba nyami angkat bangin penpau ba dalai unung yo jamin nama bangin tip ke ikaman saja mata nang dia senang demi intip kan saja senang duwe kerja ya begini kesem kikur kijat na kun jongnu mah di man kapor ni dulap kerja hamala kijaka ba kata kejin sim jingim mungkin giru tang senam kayai serkai lagi serkai tingi kong VDP tingi ni ai kata kam message ba nani khmat minum sya buat minum air laksu mungkin gijing dia Hantam ha senang jungi ngin su YouTube dengan transnam dalili ngin pediang but tada dia bu like tada kata kajing tawal jungi ba udang like nak kata jing set patok si jing em ni kung senang ngin ba klik but in tip tada je urus
Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma lauded the accomplishments of sports achievers from Meghalaya Games 2024 and Khelo India Youth Games 2024 in a ceremony at Usosotham Auditorium, Shillong. Joined by Health and Family Welfare Minister Ampreen Lyngdoh and Sport and Youth Affairs Minister Shaklar Wajri, Samla emphasized the significance of celebrating youth achievements in various fields throughout the week. Encouraging the youth to be exemplary role models, Samla expressed gratitude to MSOA sports associations and the sports department for their efforts in overcoming challenges. The football team's triumph in Khelo India Youth Games was hailed as a source of pride, with Samla commending their determination. Minister Wajri urged athletes to wisely utilize cash awards, recognizing shaping the state's future. The ceremony concluded with dignitaries distributing cash awards to medal-winning athletes across different disciplines.
And welcome our very young and dynamic Minister of Sports and Youth Affairs, Shri Shaklar Wajri.
Then you also allow me to welcome our guests who are here today. We also welcome the coaches and the managers of the different teams, parents, well-wishers, welcome to our program.
After gymnastics, we move on to the winners of the basketball 5th Meghalaya Games. East Khasi Hills boys, Danish for the felicitation of sports achievers. So I would like to thank all our guests and dignitaries.
In wrestling, we have Frankie Moment from East Khasi Hills District. Please come forward. Obadiah Kelpon, please come forward.
After Taekwondo, we will move on to athletics. The few winners from athletics: Joyful Narlong, Ribhoy, Linti Jikerman, Southwest Khasi Hills, Marcellus Ramsey, Southwest Khasi Hills, Primus Rockhi from Ribhoy, Renaldi Dhar, West Jankia.
So at the very outset, I would like to congratulate all the winners today and really wish you all the very best. You have made yourself, your family, and each and every one of us proud. So I think it would be appropriate that let's give each other, in fact all of you, a huge round of applause. Many, many congratulations for the great achievements that you have achieved. That we would like to make you as icons and as motivation for other youth to be able to look at you and say that, well, I would like to be like them. And I would like to also be one of those people who are able to achieve. And hence, I would like to tell the youth who are here today that you have a very important and responsible role to play. Today, you might think that you just won a medal, but it's not about just the medal or the award that you will get. It is about the recognition that you're getting today in the state. It's about how your colleagues, your friends, other youth of the state today are looking up to you. Hence, I would request all of you that be that responsible person. Guide other youths. Tell them your story of how you have done and achieved what you have achieved. That you will face challenges in life. But it is how you face them and how you improve and how you overcome them. That is really what matters. And I'm happy to see that the MSOA, the sports department, and all the organizing committee members overcame many challenges and been making the games better and better every year. I really look forward to the games in Jenti Hills in July, which will be in about a year's time. And I hope that all of you have started practicing for the event. We really hope that this year we had about 3,000 athletes. I'm hoping that we will be having many more in the next games, hopefully maybe 4,000 to even 5,000 athletes participating in the future games to come. You will see that it is not just our speeches or the kind of words that we give, but in action, we have been able to invest in our youth. If you minus the infrastructures, which will be more than 700-800 crores today in different infrastructures for the sport within this last 5 years, in the different programs, as I said, for grassroots music program, Yes Meghalaya program, Prime Entrepreneurship program, Northeast Olympics, different Meghalaya games, different association games. The government of Meghalaya has spent more than 100-125 crores in different programs to organize and to mobilize the youth. And let me assure you that we will continue to do that, and we will be investing in the youth, because as mentioned by our Honorable Sports Minister, you are the future of our state, and we want to give the best opportunity to you to be able to shine in whatever area that you have passion in and that you want to move forward in.
On February 5th, the remote village of Omoka, nestled within the Nongpo constituency, inauguration of their new Dorbar Hall. Constructed at a cost exceeding 5 lakhs through the collaboration of the SRWP scheme and the MGNREGA, the hall promises to serve various community functions. MLA Miralbon's aim inaugurating the facility commended the unity of the village residents. Idakar, BDO of Umling CNRD Block, and Shillong, Assistant Executive Engineer, PWD Nongpo, were among the dignitaries present. The event marked a significant achievement, benefiting not only village leaders but the entire Omoka community.
BMC jungi dan lang ini nangta irang ba Shillong be jungi ba besar nangta ba sensi langdo be ka yang dorbat ia kabala shna lengba ka convergence scheme bedeng jong ka SRWP ba ka MGNREGA ka de jingker khu pe ba nong song Shillong nang mata ka de si ka kerpang ba ka ne Khubor kum ka dat ka ba ning lipat ba ka ni suar ni yo ya jingelang impli yang NEHU
Kiong badan kam banyo ing dorbar ke batmai dengan dong iki bato suki nginyaram demar bagi SRWP scheme kadang scheme ke bahab yarap yaman laki Shillong la bende buchne jin dorbar la bende butik madan la bende buchne kenro la bende buchne skur la bende kejing yarap iki Shillong kejing yarap iki balang kejing yarap iki Sengente, kejing rap di sport club, kejing rap di group, ki SAG, ki regiment. Bat kam ta ter, ki don sibun, kejing don kam. De nang takadang ong tong ini face wise. In ai ke face ke benangkong, ke face ke baar, kam ta ter. Kenang ai jemut hi ba yele ban kat bala dari bala ban le convergence bat ke MGNREGA li kanang khambha susu kat bala ban penurlong ngasutu. Ki don sibun ki jing ban pun urlong khamtam hagabede bat ka convergence khamtam hagabede kumno ban pentrekam lagade ka material lagade ka wages bat kumta ter tending ai khubli wan peding gijing ki babun ki ba ka VC hangne hapo umdo ka them phia kendu ba besar kumrong ba Shillong unia kendu sibun gijing ki state member lani ki khot po VC kindan sibun gijing tendre pilala ban pendep iso ban ai khubli kerpang khubli unang kerhui phi yang jing tri sistem jing tri bha ga jong phi bat kumba pila tho hak member ndom ru banang beteng ginang beteng hi ban yaram ya kene bangala kren hi men suaru banginang beteng ban yaram face wise kamut ba gawat ke benengkong gawat ke baar bat kum ta ter kiran sibun ki jing shna ki bangila persang ban yaram hapo ka constituency hapo ki Shillong ba pher ngiyat face wise namar baban ai chisin ai te la ar pekot namar baga scheme ga ba der ga bubun bere ka SRWP scheme ga chungi ga baga yutu ipina ga por Nadu ubasdang ke jenglong emilia ke jongau snem arjar khatra hadu snem hajar puwe kalong klur bengka sisnem. Menta lapan ki klur siten sisnem. Kata gede ka SRWP skim ke ba ke emilia skim. Kam hap ichi yosam haki chnong. Chispa pu kundai chnong. Hapo kanompo constituency. Tahap yosam ya tatu mundur bupi. Atu kundit tahap yosam. Kedai tang bai wo ordari. Kisker haptit kitin haptit kicuki haptit kikyo haptit kibadan kampun kijidun kam. Jadi nang tagadau ngas ngoban kerpat ban ngasolmu ban nagaliang jong ngasnong pi pediang pi ai kijing trelang ban ngin pentikna bagani ka jindor bar gedung pi ke balayo ban sedang gemni kemungkinan yo ban beteng abaci ingning bamarlani seliang ro 4 plastar pi wat plastar cu ni marlani nomor hapen pras setiap kali dibenut semua marhapatin bat kemta ter buat postar sungte suki yang ai gijing arab naga por sekopor yang gijing don kam gijing pi hakabedi bat kitu kimat kibar kongsan kibar pi pila pensgau hakenika memorandum kabanukong kabedi bat ka luti kesengkin kesurok kedi kibar kongsan kedi gijing sisah hiru ba gijing don kam naga menta ban penyesok ia kesurok lanila doha capo kebet nombri lembag trap lani te malumala kan ba yali belirep likit kamar kamata ka kuba ka kau usia je ka be gumtu nagaliang na site liang jong ka kebet nombri gilayo ban peti nagaliang jonga malumala ka tulung tang ban cuti tang ban lai der kesurok ka ba tang ban lai Kelani bro imat don kami ban peti dir malu malah tang ban lai. Kurang basnong ila ong yang aman hagani ngis penbet ya gani. Kani long tang ban lai malu malah tang cuy suk kali gawan kumta ter. Ndai gawan pakahi ndai lembah nagaliang jong piludi iba sela belang hani umur bayi insa kani kemensuak estimate keladon deh lale survey ni katai. Tending haban peti kena mentang kani kebalik hani wala dah memorandum cam tu arfi bagani ke bala umdok ha je sentu mau cam teri bro ke ba dan kam bagani de nang ta kadau aba chisin le tala re bukai gilo kata gede ke bachai ngan ong ipi namar bah gijingya limti baniyo gijing don kam ni ke suro hani badam kam ni cha than so khwai badam kam ni chanung khra nong do we kam ni than berman badam kam ni chanung bri we kam ni kumta te te kiran shibun kini gijing don kam ki surok te andre Nilai lupa gini ki plan ki estimate ki baru kenang bandalai olan ban pendrung gini le kat bala nagaliang cunga liam ngak kuat pelan badara ban penlong no mentah-mentah itu elastik bisa kuat ci penlong tang balong rka gumta ngihap ban yasha ngihap ban yam ban yubudin ban pentik kena bagani surok cakbet nang tak ban le sha sentu mau sha mautari kan pe ban sup kali gawan naga benta kinong chong ban hagabede.
In a progressive move, the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council KHADC allows citizens to pay professional taxes online, eliminating the need for in-person visits. Council Chief Executive Member CEM Panyat Singh CEM believes this digital initiative not only streamlines public transactions but also enhances office efficiency.
To nakaliang jungi ka executive committee ru naka IT branch but ka taxation la khatlai tarik mentau benai ngin sa launch no ekanika online payment system but kumju yeki online ban pendap form online dan kamshu bandawan dalade shop office jong council yakino kino kibakwa ban siwe ka professional tax la rakalong hakano kanu ka bentah jadi kita kino ki nong shnong ki badan yakin no ki jai kamru nama professional tax ketika ka tax ke officio ya ka profession ke jongpi sila bandai contractor la bandai no hikai school la bandai businessman la bandai ki traders ki nong khai kino ki ba ki government employees ru ki ba kwa hiban siwe ka professional tax dan kamshu ban one hadin ka khalai trik re ngin launch no eko online but yakani sa shimti da em charge jong ka IT bande yakani kam haka khalai trik kiwe ru tementa kum ka jing sedang le singi la ban persyang shwa tang habedi ka professional tak senrei ban kampen suk ye ki pai ba ki bawan don kam shani hakani ka juk jing start technology menta ni kwa hiba kan kampen janai ker kontrakam kan kampen stat le se don ru ki applicant ki badan kam kerki ye ki professional tax certificate baki wiki waging.com sekan ni rap iki kena bikin yo kham kloi kini ki certificate bat kin la ban pendan kam le se kinu nu ki jaka ki baki dan kam ban pen i kini certificate.
In a concerning revelation, scamsters masquerading as courier service agents, notably FedEx, are duping citizens. Perpetrators falsely claim recipients' packages contain contraband, implicating them in money laundering schemes. Impersonating central law enforcement agencies like Customs and CBI, scammers coerce targets into transferring large sums under the guise of RBI clearance. The threat of arrest looms, compelling compliance. Some victims are coerced into registering complaints via apps like AnyDesk, potentially aiding further scams. Authorities caution the public to avoid downloading apps from unsolicited callers and urge reporting such incidents to local police. Cybercrime Helpline 1930 and Shillong Police Control Room 0364 2215427 6009 196479. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.